viewers, this is VR Shankar. Now we discuss about the thermal conductivity by using transport phenomenon. The transport of heat energy from one region of the gas that is at a higher temperature to the region of lower temperature gives rise to the transport phenomena of thermal conduction. Okay, so gas in a container, suppose some regions at high temperature and having some other regions at lower temperature, then there is a transport of molecules from higher region to lower regions to get thermal equilibrium. Okay, so thermal transport phenomena of thermal conduction happens when in a gas the heat energy transferred from higher temperature region to lower temperature region. So, just as in the study of viscosity, let us assume that the gas inside the container be divided into several layers lying along the y-axis. Now, in order to explain thermal conductivity through the kinetic theory of gases, let us assume that a layer BB dash is at temperature T and another layer CC dash that is at a distance of lambda above BB dash is at a temperature T plus dt by dt lambda, sorry, dt T plus dt by dy lambda, and another layer AA dash that is at a distance lambda below BB dash is at a temperature T minus dt by dy lambda. This is made possible by assuming that in a gas that is in thermodynamic equilibrium, each layer will be at different temperatures in such a way that the temperature decreases from upwards in a uniform and regular fashion. That means we assume a uniform temperature gradient dt by dy along y-axis in the gas. This one in figure. The molecule in the layer CC dash are at a high temperature than the molecules in the layer BB dash, and hence according to kinetic theory U is proportional to kT. Here K is Boltzmann constant. Kinetic theory process more kinetic energy. Here molecules possess more kinetic energy because there is a high temperature. The molecules move from CC dash to BB dash, transferring their kinetic energy to the molecules in BB dash. As a result, the temperature of the gas in a region above BB dash will decrease and below BB dash will increase. The same process will continue among different layers the gas until thermal equilibrium is attained. In thermal equilibrium alone, we can assume dt by dy to be a constant 0 throughout. According to Joule's assumption, the number of molecules crossing the layer BB dash in any direction, either upward direction or downward direction, per unit area per second will be nc bar by 6. Hence, as usual, n is number of gas molecules per unit volume and c bar is the average velocity of the gas molecules, which is also called Joule velocity. Now, if Cv is the specific heat capacity of gas at constant volume, then the total heat energy transferred by all molecules in crossing the layer BB dash from CC dash per unit area per second is the formula Q equal to mCVT. We get that is mnc by 6 Cv of T plus dt by dy lambda, because here Q equal to mCVT, where m is mnc by 6 and Cv is specific heat capacity Cv and the temperature is T plus dt by dy lambda. Similarly, the total here energy transferred by all molecules in crossing the layer BB dash from AA dash per unit area per second is equal to mnc bar by 6 Cv of T minus dt by dy lambda. Hence, the net heat transferred from BB dash layer per unit area per unit second unit time, that is second, will be, that is as the two are in opposite direction. So mn c bar by 6 cv of t plus dt by dy lambda minus mn c bar by 6 of t minus dt by dy lambda. So take mn c bar by 6 as common. We got mn c bar by 6 of cv, we got t plus dt by dy lambda minus t minus dt by dy lambda. So t is cancelled with each other, and also dt by dy adding, we got mn c bar by 6 cv of 2 dt by dy lambda. So finally we got 1 by 3 mn c bar cv of dt by dy lambda. The quantity of heat Q flowing per a time t through an area A across a region having a temperature gradient dt by dy is given by Q equal to minus K A dt by dy into T. Here K is called coefficient of thermal conductivity. So if A is 1 and dt by dy is 1 and T is 1, then K equal to Q. That the coefficient of the thermal conductivity of a gas is defined as the quantity of heat that flows per unit area per second per unit temperature gradient. Okay, from above equation putting dt by dy is 1, we get as per the above definition K equal to 1 by 3 mn c bar cv lambda, because dt by dy is 1. So finally mn is rho, so we got K equal to 1 by 3 rho c bar cv lambda.